Hey guys, what do you think of my new car? Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice car you got there, CGP. Okay, so what do you got in your channel? Nothing really. I'm just hanging out. No, we don't have anything special to do today. I got bored. I decided to come. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so the next video is going to be a Roblox video. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Yeah, I bet the viewers are excited. Anyway, so I'm going to showcase. He's been a bit off today. So today I'm going to showcase my new car. Okay, so wait, hold on. Okay, so this is my new car. I'm gonna showcase the lights, the wheels, the side, the back. Oh, the other side. Yeah, let's go. Let's take it for a spin. Here we go. Yes, we're going. Drifting. Oh, it's crashed. This car doesn't have a beeping sound. It's kind of old, actually. Yeah. G-Run. Ow. Oh, it's just kind of small now, to be honest. Yeah. So this is my car. These are the seats. Yeah, I know it hurts badly. What do you guys think? Well, oh, I don't really have much to say about that. Is that the car from PG Mask? Don't say that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So what do you have to say, Shadow Mario? Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot he can't talk. Why do I always keep forgetting that Shadow Mario cannot talk? So yeah, today I'm going to be explaining the rules, what to do and what not to do in a car. You guys ready? Let's learn. So today we're going to be explaining the rules about car driving. Okay, so yeah, so I bought this from a dealer. It was a used car by some other dude. I didn't know his name. He has a better car now. He got bigger. Car now, he can do a lot of stuff. So, with my car, this is my car. I can't really do much with it, but I will be explaining rules. So, the rules are no texting while driving. That's gonna have an accident. I'm gonna demonstrate here. Ow! Ow! Oh, that's why you shouldn't text while drive. Oh no, wall. Phew, nearly hit that. Ow. Okay, I should really. You get some seatbelts on this thing. Yeah. So yeah, that's the first thing. Here's another thing. Hold on. Oh, I'm so drunk. Which way is up? A bar of wine. Bottle of wine. We can't drink that until we get home. I'm gonna get home. Ow. So yeah, that's the other thing about driving a car. Now, what was something else? Oh yeah. Stoplight. It's another one here. Now, you guys, since there's no stoplight, we're going to be pretending there's a stoplight, okay? Oh no, the light is red. Come on. Oh, finally it's green now. Wee. Ow. Oh, ow. Here's the next thing. Wait for pedestrians. Okay. Ah. Ow. Yeah, that's another thing. No. Can't really do. Oh, I know one. I know one. Don't drive without using a seatbelt. Okay? Never do that, or else you get a ticket. Ding. The ding. I was that? Ding. Okay, ding. Oh, what is that? Ding, 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 ding. Stop! Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, the seatbelt. Yeah, IDK. Oh, ding. Oh, better put my seatbelt on. Oh, yeah, that's right. This car doesn't have any seatbelts. Oh. I mean, it does, but they're really small. Yeah, there we go. I should survive a crash with this. Yeah, I'm still in one piece. Okay, and there are all the things you should never do with a car while driving a car. So, what should we do now? The video's only 6 minutes long. 6 minutes something seconds. Yeah, I don't know. But I wonder what happened if this video ended up on safety driving school at a driving school. That'd be crazy. Yeah, let me know if that actually does happen. I'd love to know. So, let's get driving then. I'm gonna go to Mickey D's. Where is Mickey D's? Hey, CGP, wait for us. Oh, my head. Oh, I've been down for. Hey, whoa. Hey, I want to come too. Why? Oh, I want some Mickey D's as well. But there's only room for one. Why'd you get a car so small then? I don't know. There's always left. For me. Why didn't you get a car big enough for three? I didn't have enough money to buy it. Wait, what? Why do you have such a big house then? It's not really that big, but yeah. I think it's about the size of Mario's, or probably smaller. So, do you know how to get to Mickey D's? Yeah, I know where there's one, but yeah. I don't know how to get us there. Well, you know what? Yes, I just demonstrated in this video. I know how to drive. I don't have my driver's license though. I'm a bird. Okay. Yeah. So, are we gonna go to Mickey D's or not? Well, I mean, I guess so. But I don't know if we'll make it in time. Because my car is small, like really small. By the time we get there, it'd be closed. So we're not going. Well, we could for a little tour. Oh, okay. Also, how'd they give us the food? They could just drop it? They can't just drop the food. Oh, well. I don't know. Well, okay, you know what? How about you and Shadow Mario stay here? Well, I go try to bring you guys some Mickey D's. I'll go to a 24-hour Mickey D's that's open all the time. 24/7. Sounds fair to me. But do you know where it's at? I think there's one in Vista? Or in Escondido, maybe? I'm not so sure. Because I know there's one in Los Angeles. Um, um, uh, yeah. Oh no, so do you have any ideas? How did you get there really fast? Why me at the back? Oh my god, the car's heavy. It has a thruster at the back, in the back. Oh, come on, get in. Oh, I knew I should have bought that bigger car. Well, I'll upgrade in the future in the 25 sub special. So, uh, yeah, you guys stay here, okay? I'm gonna go try to find me a 24/7 Mickey D's that's open all the time. Okay. Shall we go? Shall we wait here then? Yes. Oh, okay. Um, yes. So what is that you want? I'll take a fillet of fish, some small fries, and small drink. Uh, um, mhm. uh, Sprite would be nice. Okay. Shamari, what do you want? Oh, he says he wants. That. Wait. Oh, okay. So you want a large Coke, large fries, and a Big Mac. Okay, I'll take me a McChicken, two McChickens, medium drink, Dr. Pepper, some medium fries. Maybe 4-piece chicken nugget as well. So yeah, time to go to Mickey D's. Hopefully this thruster thing can get me there quick enough. Oh, sorry, did I fall asleep? So yeah, you already told me a fillet of fish, small drink, small Sprite, yes, and small fries, yes. Oh, okay. I'll get it right for you. Oh. Okay, time to go get that drink and food. Here we go. Oh. 7 hours later. Oh man, I'm starving. Where's CGP at? CGP, I have arrived. Yeah, I have arrived. First, let me park. Yeah. Finally, I arrived. Be much better in an open area. So, did you get the stuff? Yeah. Well, no. Why not? I couldn't find a McDonald's close enough. My car, I had to fill my car with gas full tank, like about twice. And that engine thing, the thruster in the back, wasn't that big enough. Yeah, it wasn't strong enough. Yeah. Oh, so you mean you didn't get us anything? No, not even for myself. Oh, so what are we gonna eat? We could eat you. No, we can eat you. You should eat Shadow Mario. We can't eat Shadow Mario. He's a mirror. We'd be eating glass, and all of our teeth would start bleeding and stuff. Oh, should we eat the car? No, that's the same thing. Oh, you know, I think I'm gonna starve to death. Sit right over here. Well, that was strange. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Wait, hold on. Thank you guys for watching. If you please did enjoy, Like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. And I literally don't fit inside this car. And I'll be seeing you guys all next time. Bye. Please send me some money so I can buy another car, please. A bigger one. Well, bye.